Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about how to credit your Monzo account. This is a question that I get asked a lot, so I thought it would be a good idea to do a video on it. Before we get started, I want to take a moment to thank all of you for your support. I've been really overwhelmed by the positive response to my channel, and I'm so grateful to have you all here. Now, let's get started. What is Monzo? Monzo is a challenger bank that offers a variety of banking services, including current accounts, savings accounts, and credit cards. Monzo is a great option for people who are looking for a modern, convenient, and affordable banking experience. How to credit your Monzo account? There are a few different ways to credit your Monzo account. Here are a few of the most common methods. Bank transfer. You can transfer money from another bank account to your Monzo account. To do this, you will need to provide your Monzo account number and sort code. Payday loan. You can use a payday loan to credit your Monzo account. This is a short-term loan that is repaid on your next payday. Credit card. You can use a credit card to credit your Monzo account. This is a good option if you have a good credit score and you want to avoid paying interest. Cash deposit. You can deposit cash into your Monzo account at a post office. Additional tips. Make sure you have enough money in your account. You will need to have enough money in your account to cover the amount you are trying to credit. Be aware of the fees. There may be fees associated with crediting your Monzo account. These fees will vary depending on the method you choose. Check your balance regularly. It is important to check your balance regularly to make sure that you have enough money in your account. Conclusion. I hope this video has been helpful. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching. Additional information. You can also credit your Monzo account using the Monzo app. You can also credit your Monzo account by using a check. You can also credit your Monzo account by using a wire transfer. Outro. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Thanks again for watching. Call to action. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment below. I would also love to hear your thoughts on how to credit your Monzo account. Thanks for watching.